A PS5 Slim can become stuck on the loading screen due to bugs or interrupted updates. To resolve this issue, start by power cycling the console. Press the power button until the indicator light stops blinking. Then unplug the power cord and remove all peripherals. Wait 20 minutes before reconnecting everything and turning the console back on to see if the problem persists. If the issue remains, try rebuilding the console's database by switching it off. Then pressing the power button until you hear 2 beeps, which will reboot the console into safe mode. Connect a DualSense controller using a USB cable. Select the Rebuild Database option and press X to initiate the process. This will scan the drive and create a new database of the system's content, potentially fixing corrupt files and bugs. If the problem still exists, a reset may be necessary. Switch off the console. Press the power button until you hear 2 beeps to enter safe mode. Connect the DualSense controller and select the Reset PS5 option. Note that this will delete all data on the console and restore it to its original state. By following these steps, the PS5 Slim should be fixed and functioning properly.